Why is my Kidde carbon monoxide alarm beeping?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll discuss why your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm might be beeping. It's important to pay attention to these beeping sounds as they could indicate a potential danger in your home. Let's dive in and find out what might be causing the alarm to beep.
Is the beeping intermittent or continuous?
The first thing you need to determine is whether the beeping is intermittent or continuous. This will help us narrow down the possible causes. If the beeping is intermittent, meaning it occurs at regular intervals, it might indicate a low battery. Check if the alarm has a low battery indicator. If it does, replace the battery with a fresh one and see if the beeping stops. Remember, it's crucial to use the correct type of battery as specified by the manufacturer.
Is the alarm in end-of-life mode?
If the beeping continues even after replacing the battery, it's possible that your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm has reached its end of life. Carbon monoxide alarms typically have a lifespan of around 5 to 7 years, after which they need to be replaced. Check the manufacturing date on the back of the alarm or consult the user manual to determine if it's time to replace your alarm.
Are there other alarms or malfunctions?
Sometimes, a beeping carbon monoxide alarm may not indicate a carbon monoxide leak but rather an issue with another alarm or a malfunction. If you have multiple Kidde alarms installed in your home, they might be interconnected. Check if other alarms in your home are also beeping. If they are, it's possible that one of the alarms is malfunctioning or indicating a different problem. In such cases, it's advisable to consult the user manual or contact Kidde customer support for further assistance.
Is carbon monoxide present?
If none of the previous sections helped identify the cause of the beeping, it's important to consider the possibility of carbon monoxide being present. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas that can be extremely dangerous if undetected. Pay attention to any other signs of carbon monoxide, such as a strong smell, dizziness, nausea, or headaches. If you suspect carbon monoxide is present or if you're unsure, evacuate your home immediately, contact emergency services, and seek medical attention if necessary. In conclusion, the beeping sound from your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm could be due to various reasons. Start by checking if the beeping is intermittent and replace the battery if needed. If the beeping persists, consider the possibility of the alarm being in end-of-life mode. Additionally, ensure that other alarms in your home are not indicating any issues. And most importantly, if you suspect carbon monoxide is present, prioritize your safety and evacuate your home. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to carbon monoxide. Stay vigilant and take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and your loved ones.